All right, thank you for visiting the website. Today on this rainy day, we are going to show you how to install your fin on your inflatable paddleboard. I grabbed my weapon of choice, which is the 11.0 Pop-Up Black and Green Edition, one of my favorite boards. And this is really easy. We'll get you out in the water real quick. It should take 30 seconds to throw this fin in there. To get an idea, we have a universal fin system, which is nice to have on an inflatable paddleboard, because if for whatever reason you misplace something or want to play with different fins, you can easily do that. You can snag it through one of our dealers or blindfolded on the internet, grab a fin, slam it in the board, and you're back out on the water. So our first step is to set the fin plate into the fin box. And we'll go ahead and unscrew it from the fin, as you see. And then what I recommend is to throw a couple little threads into the plate, insert it into the fin track or fin box. Then what we're going to do is install the fin. You have a little rear cleat and a little cleat up front. The rear cleat will slide on the inside of your fin box and the front cleat will just sit on the top. Then what we're going to do is match up the holes to your personal preference. To give you an idea, the further we push your fin forward on the fin box, the more squirrely and loose your board will ride. The further back your fin is on the fin box, the tighter, more grippier your board will be on the water, basically giving you better traction or better glide, holding a line so you don't have to recover your paddle every so often. So find your personal preference and then find the fin plate with your fin screw, as I already did. Screw it into place. All of it's thumb adjustable, no tools needed. There you have it. You're ready to go paddleboarding. Go ahead and make a memory, make a moment, go out there, have fun on your board. It's set, enjoy. Okay, so let's remove your fin. Very easy to do. What we're gonna do is unscrew the fin from the fin plate, as you see. We're gonna go ahead and pop out the fin from the fin box or fin track. Then I recommend to recover the fin plate, or sorry, the fin screw plate, is to use a screw. Get a couple threads in there, slide it out. This is the little guy people tend to lose more often times than not. So you'll throw it in the bag, you got a lot going on, but I highly recommend to take the second it does to put it right back on the fin for storage. That's how you can keep it in the bag. If you do this, it'll always be together every single time you paddle. We can't tell you how many times we get phone calls on, oh, you lost our fin screw. Yet very easy to replace, though we don't want you to have any bad days on the water. There's always enough going on. So keep it just like that. There you have it, your fin, it's done. Thank you for visiting the website. If you have any questions or comments, reach out to your local shop or do not hesitate to call us. We're the easiest people to get a hold of. Happy paddles.